Good morning, children. Today we will start our chapter number 2, Year to Year. But before going to our chapter, here is a question for you. What range of sound we can hear from our ears? Now we start our chapter. Here is a picture in which animals do not have their ears. Are they looking funny? The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of the animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Here you can see that giraffe has ears of elephant and rabbit has ears of giraffe. Like this, you have to fill the ears in the space given below. Here are the examples of ears of different animals. You can see that some animals have long ears while some have very short ears. Now come to the next page. Different animals have different kinds of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animal you cannot see the ears? Write in the table below. For answering this question, we use the fact that we can only see the ears of the animals which have hairs on their body, or we can see the ears of the mammals like elephant, monkey, giraffe, chimpanzee, etc. While we cannot see the ears of the birds and reptiles like lizard, crocodile, snake, and the birds like hen, ostrich, crow, duck, etc. Now observe these pictures. In this picture there are some birds. Name the animals in this picture. So can you name the animals in this picture? Can you see their ears? As I told earlier that we cannot see ears of birds. They all have ears even though we cannot see them. Here are the two pictures of birds. You can see that in place of their ears there is a small hole through which they can hear all kind of sounds. Now come to the next page. Find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their names. As I told earlier, we cannot see ears of birds and reptiles. You can write some names like hen, crow, duck, and reptiles like crocodile, lizard, etc. Now there are some questions. You have to write the name of the animals. An animal with ears like fans. You all know that elephants have very big ears and they look like fans. An animal with ears like leaves. You can write the name of some small animals like rabbit, giraffe, etc. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Next is an animal with ears on both sides of its head. Here are many examples. You can write any of them like dog, chimpanzee, man, etc. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some you cannot. As I told earlier, we cannot see a bird's ear. A bird has a tiny holes on both sides of its head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see tiny holes of the lizard's head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Here is the summary of today's class. First, we saw that different animals have different ears. Some have big ears like elephant, while others have small ears like rabbit. Second, we can see some animals' ears like human beings, dogs, giraffe, cat, etc. And the last is we cannot see ears of birds and reptiles. Okay children, now we will continue in the next class.